Hi guys, and well, welcome back to the cave. So working on the Kawasaki F7, and in this video sequence we're going to change out the old roller bearings, ball bearing setup. I'm going to put taper roller bearings into the headstock. I've already moved the old bearings and cups, so really the video will start when we're putting the new cups and cones into place. If you want to look in on how to remove the old giblets, we have got a video that we did with a DT400 where we took it through all the sequence, but there's no real sophistication to getting the old cups out. It's simply a matter of just drifting them out with well, whatever tools you've got to be able to drift them out with. One or two people have said you cannot get taper roller bearing set for an F7. And certainly they don't seem to be listed. However, we've come up with a set. It's listed for a KE100 and lots of other models, but we've measured once, we've measured twice, and well, as you can see in the video, they do fit. So let's get on with the video. Let's jump in and well, I'll catch you on the other side when we've got it completed. And but for now, okay, let's start. I'll try to sort of not get my hand in the way too much. As you can see, the old cups have been taken out, and we'll install the new cup. Again, just put it in place. The new cup has been in the freezer for about, I suppose, about 4 or 6 hours, just to help us a little bit when we're inserting it. So let's just gently sort of tap it in. And what I like to do is, well, I call it parts of the clock, 12, 3, 6, 9, and just work around rather than keep hitting the cup in one place, because we don't want to distort the cup. We don't want it to go in at an angle and then have to give ourselves a load of grief to get it out. So let's make a start. So if we can gently tap, don't have to go crazy, but so again, we don't need massive effort. And in fact, there she goes. 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9. And that's nicely down. I mean, when we put the, when we start reassembling, what we'll do, we'll tighten and that'll pull it together a little bit more, and then we'll back it off a little bit. I have installed the bottom cup already. It's the same process, so there's nothing else really to see, and it's quite difficult to film underneath in a satisfactory manner. So let's see now about putting the steering stem and bottom yoke into place. As you can see on the stem, I've already fitted the cone, as I mentioned earlier. I've already inserted in there as well, so everything's now good to go. I hope you can pick it up on the camera as well. This we've packed the roller bearing full of grease, so it's full of greasy goodness. Now it's really just a simple matter, famous last words, of just getting everything back into place. So that literally slides into there. Top cone then drops into there. There's then a seal that goes on there. Okay. Stem. Again, we know then, put the cone to the bearing. It does come with an additional dust cover, dust seal. So we'll put that on. We'll put that, the original dust seal, back on there. And then this castellated nut. Don't quite know what the official term for that is, but I call them a castellated nut. Okay. We can then start to tighten that down. Now what I do is tighten this down way tight, just let that sit against the lock stop. And by tightening it down too much, although it never feels right to do it, because it feels like something's going to break, but nip it right down, even though it's too tight, then we know that we've set the bearings at either side, and any play that was left we've now pulled it back. Then just back it off just a little bit till we found the right tension. Do that by feel. Can't find a torque setting for this in any of the manuals, so we'll do it old school. That feels about right, because obviously we haven't got the leverage of the bars at the moment. Maybe a couple of degrees more. Yeah, I think that's it. Good. So we can then reinstall the top yoke. There we go. The magic helmet. Good. Got a washer that then sits on there, and then a nut that goes into there. So that nips up onto that one. I'll come back and tighten that later. So I do want to see if I can find a torque setting for these. And then just simply, we'll put this pinch bolt in, but we won't nip it up just yet. We'll just put it finger tight into place. And that is about it. We can then obviously start putting the forks back in, handlebars back on. So 1971 F7 Enduro with 2018 taper roller steerer bearings. It's got to be a good thing. So everything went together quite well, fairly easily really, which is a good thing. Got a bit fiddly when you're trying to sort of manipulate things so you can video correctly as well, but no, essentially all the parts fitted. We're going to make some more videos as we work with the F7. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please subscribe, and we like to hear comments as well. Even the ones where, well, I wouldn't have done it like this, I don't think that's the right way. All I'll say is I'm showing you how I did it. If you don't want to do it that way, if you know a better way, that's fine. Do it your way. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys, and well, bye for now, and catch you on the next video.